Hey guys, it's Melanie from Evolve Accounting. Gonna work on scheduling 1099s so you can do it throughout the year instead of in January. So there's two ways to add 1099 vendors. The first way is clicking on this workers tab and then highlighting the contractors at the top. I've already set up this handyman company, and if you've never done this before, you'll have a screen that pops up and says, hey, you've never done this, add your first contractor. I'm going to show you the add contractor button. All it is the company name and the email address, and then there's a checkbox that says email this contractor to complete their profile, and they'll get their own account to safely share their personal details. And you'd click add contractor. So we've already done that. And what it does is you'll see as I click into this company, it says we've requested personal details from empoweryourquickbooks@gmail.com, which is the handyman company's email address, and we are waiting on information. So if we go over to our email, you'll see the demo company. So the demo company manages contractors' tax forms with QuickBooks. This email will allow them to go in and set up their tax information. When they first log in, it's going to require them to create an account with Intuit so they can share the information. So this is what your contractors would see when they've gotten that information. So they can click enter your information, and then it makes you decide between a social security number, which would be any of your sole proprietors, versus an employer ID number. It's going to ask you what type of company, ask the vendor what type of company they are, and then it's going to fill in some information. So we're just filling in some information. And I put in my local because I'm sure it'll kick me out if I don't put in a real zip code. And it's going to ask for those, and this is all the same information that would be on that W-9 if they were getting a physical copy. And if they have any questions about backup withholdings, it gives you a note right there. And so it fills out the W-9 and lets them see the information. And then you have to click I agree to the electronic. Click the start button. It's going to make you sign. I'm going to adopt and sign. And click the finish button. Now it's saving the W-9 information. While we're waiting on that to save, so then it allows, they now have an account set up. So now if we go back to our screen for our business, it has brought in the information that they supplied. So you go back to the main contractors and you've got that company ready for 1099s when the time comes in January. Another way to do it is if you've been in business, you may have some of your vendors already set up. in which case they're not currently showing in these contractors titles. So you've got handyman company, but under the vendors, we also have this ABC company. And what we're going to do is click on the ABC company and click the edit button. So on the edit screen, there are two things that are really important that you need to do. One is click the track payments for 1099, and then you would also need to enter an email address. So now, after you've saved that, if you click over back to the Contractors tab, you will see that ABC Company has come over. So you're going to want to click on that, and then you're going to want to hit this send email to your client, and it will autofill that the information that you've already put in, and click send. Now that is waiting for information, so then you can check with your clients to make sure that information has been filled out. If you have any questions on filing 1099s, go to our website, which is www.youraccountingprofessional.com. You can click on our Learning Center button and search for 1099s, and that'll pull up all the searches, all the blog posts that have been done regarding 1099s, and you can read information on due dates and that sort of thing. Thank you for listening. I hope this file is helpful. Have a great day.